Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be putting on these extensions. It's my birthday today and I need a change of look because I'm tired of my short hair. I don't know how to style it anymore. It's at that awkward phase and I just need a new look. So we'll be putting these in and yeah, keep on watching for a transformation. Okay, so the extensions I'm using are the INH clip-in hair extensions. These ones right here. And these extensions are the Remy Human Hair Medium in Natural Black. It looks way more brown, like with the sunlight hitting it directly. And these are 20 inches, 160 grams. I'm just gonna brush them out because they have been put away for quite a while. So the easiest way to get the extensions to blend with my natural hair, especially because my natural hair is really short, is to style it either curly or wavy. So that's what I'm gonna do with my hair. But first I'm gonna take some of my bottom hair like this. So that bottom half that I left down, I'm gonna go ahead and split it in two and then braid them. So I'm just braiding it like however I can because first of all my hair is really short, second of all I can't see. I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror, so that's why I keep looking over here. Now do the same on this side. So now that we have both braids, your ponytails, whatever, pigtails, we're gonna go ahead and bobby pin it down. Alright, so I pinned it down as best as I possibly could. It's not gonna be perfect. It's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put some heat protectant on the rest of my hair, because we're going to curl that before putting the extensions in. I really need a mirror here. This is my first time curling my hair with it being this short, so let's see how that turns out. And this is a straightener I'm using, Ion in 340 degrees. So that's not a curl. Is my hair even able to curl when it's too short? Okay, and the curls don't have to be perfect because we're going to brush them out anyway, so don't stress. Alright guys, I think that's about as curly or whatever I could get this super short hair. So let's work on the extensions now. Okay, so now I clipped my hair back up and I'm going to take a 3-clip extension. I'm going to clip this upside down. So I'm not going to clip it on like this like you normally would. I'm going to clip it on like this. And I'm going to do that like below the braid. Now I'm going to take another 3 clip, and this time I'm just going to clip it on like you regularly would. And I'm going to do that over the braided section. So I haven't brought any of my hair down yet. So this is how we're looking so far. I hate the hair feeling on my chest. I'm used to it now. So now I'm going to let some of my hair down. Okay, so now that I let a layer of hair down, I'm going to go in with the 4-clip extensions. And clip that on. This side definitely matches, but not the red side. That's okay. Alright, now we're going to let more hair down. And we're almost there. Look at how much hair we have left. A little bit. So, I'm gonna let this much down here. And then same on this side. Well, kind of same because I can't really see. So now the goal is to make this front and the back, of course, blend. Now I'm going to take another 2-clip and put it on this side, this side. I only have 2 more of the 2-clip extensions, so I have to choose these wisely.
Trick candy is the best.
Okay guys, so I'm back, and the only way I was able to like completely get my hair to blend was just putting some of it behind my ear and just leaving like a few little pieces of hair out. The dark side blended in perfectly, but obviously this side, like, it wouldn't blend in. It just looked weird if I let it out. So yeah, this is the only solution to that, but it still looks good. Let me show you guys the back if I can. This is what the back looks like. I do feel a little weird having my extensions on. I feel like the hair on me is bugging me, but I'm not gonna think about it too much, okay? That's gonna be my goal for today. Don't think about it too much. So yeah guys, that is it for my hair. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you next time.